Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this pumpkin cutout. I'm going to go in first with my Dixie Belle colors, and I'm using the color of the Gulf to base coat my pumpkin. And all the paint I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com. You can also purchase this cutout and the brushes I use. So again, this is the color of the Gulf, one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to go in with chocolate, and I'm going to paint the stem and this little vine here. After that, I'm going to go in with the color Limeade, and I'm going to paint my leaf. And the reason that I recommend these Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, as you can see here, the coverage is excellent. Even me going over wet paint still covers pretty good. I'll go over a couple more times, not like later coats, but just going back in and adding a little more paint to my brush, and the coverage is crazy. It's so good. So now I'm going in with a number 4 round and the color chocolate, and I'm just going over the edges and outlining, and then going in and writing these little lines in the center just to kind of give those pumpkin ridges. And then I'm going to go in and outline my leaf also. And then I'm going to use that same number 4 round in the color putty, and I'm just going to distress down the side of my pumpkin stem to add a little highlight. And I'm going to go over each of my highlights on my pumpkin. And then I'm going to go back in with that chocolate color and just do a little line on my leaf. And then that is it. I did highlight with white as well because I feel like that finishes everything off. Just highlighted my stem, my leaf, and the edges of my pumpkin. And then that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.